Hi, I'm Kuya Vivo. Every year, majority of us making our New Year's resolution prior to the celebration of the New Year's Eve on December 31st. And mostly of these resolutions are actually broken promises at the middle of the year. We can only comply with our resolutions during January for the next months. We tend to forget that we promised to make ourselves better. In making the New Year's resolution, first we need to prepare mentally for the change that we wanted to attain for the coming year. We need to set our goal straight. This 2022 goal must be specific and could motivate you. You could actually write your resolution and share it with your closest friends and relatives so that you could help one another monitor for progress. Thus, resolutions that are manageable for you are those aligned with your goals, your priorities, your dreams, and aspirations. Now let us start discussing the top 22 New Year's resolutions for healthier and happier living. Number one is save money, spend less money. If there's one New Year's resolution that will help you the most in the long run, promise yourself to save more money. Having a mindset of spending money based on your priorities and necessities, you could eventually save more money for your future. Number two, read more books. Social media and internet browsing normally consume our time, and we already forget to read books. Reading book is healthy. It lowers blood pressure and heart rate, as well as reduces stress. While reading, it improves our brain connectivity and increases our knowledge and vocabulary. Also learn to pass on reading habit to our children. Number three, drink less alcohol. Well, I guess we're gonna have hard time here. When you drink less alcohol, it will also help you save money. This year, start drinking liquors occasionally and not for fun until you drop. Remember, drinking in moderation could help improve your mood, sleep, skin, and immune system. Number four, make healthier foods. If there's anything that we've learned in 2021, it's not to take our health for granted. In 2022, a renewed focus on our own lifestyle and what you eat is a priority. We need to be mindful of what we eat. Remember the saying, what we eat is what we are. So start eating healthy this 2022. Number five, quit smoking. We already knew that cigarettes, including vapes, are extremely harmful for our health, particularly our lungs. Manage to get rid of your cigarettes addiction by educating yourself on the serious threat they can cause on your health and learn from government or private sectors to help you gradually quit smoking. Let's go to number six, become a plant owner. Plants and flowers have therapeutic benefits to our mind and body. Create a mini garden on your house because plants can lower human stress level. Research shows that actively caring for plants calm the autonomic nervous system and lower blood pressure. And when people work near plants, they report greater concentration, satisfaction, and perceived air quality. Number seven, take the stairs. Another healthy and free routine is to take 10 minutes to run up the stairs in your office or home. It is healthy and tested that our body could get a bigger energy boost and could help us burn unwanted calories. Number eight, drink more water. Water is important in carrying nutrients and oxygen to our cells. Habit of drinking enough water every day could aid digestion to our body as well as flushing bacteria from our bladder. Medically speaking, water is very important in protecting our organs and tissues. Number 9, chill out. Please let us start working on letting go of all that anger. Constantly feeling angry and pissed off, especially for women, can lead to less than desirable long-term effects on your overall health. It can induce headaches, anxiety, digestion problems, and high blood pressure. Number 11, keep your house clean. Create a cleaning schedule that you can manage every week. But try keeping your home tidy every day, and to make this happen, everyone must participate, cleaning and organizing. Delegating simple tasks to your children could be a great help. In this way, big cleaning tasks done once a week will no longer need endless hours of your time cleaning. Number 11, consider therapy. Due to the pandemic, to lean on friends and family for support could be difficult sometimes. Likely, there are some free digital offerings for you to unpack your burden and care for your mental health without leaving the comfort of your homes. Seeking help from a mental health expert is something many people consider because of the following health benefits: improved communication and interpersonal skills, improved self-acceptance and self-esteem, capability to change self-defeating behaviors and habits, more suitable expression and management of emotions, relief from depression, anxiety, or other mental health conditions. Number 12, volunteer regularly. The act of love for 2022 could make your whole year worthwhile. Sharing your precious time and sometimes money is still beneficial for you. Volunteering tends to increase socialization, decreases loneliness, and build self-esteem. Consider working on this goal with loved ones all year round. And number 13, continue fun learning at home. Next year, our little ones will finally be returning to school. But you can continue spend quality time learning and playing together at home. Kids' laughter and giggles make our home alive. Fun is important because without it, you can get sick. Number 14, explore new hobbies. Learning new hobbies can open up your world and let go boredom. Now is the start to explore on new hobbies that are fun and could provide a way to declutter your mind. Try cooking dessert for kids, attend ballet, or take singing lessons. Number 15, give yourself a new look. When we look good, we feel good about ourselves. The better we look, the happier we are. And the happier we are, the more confident we feel. Putting effort into your choice of clothing and the way you look proves that you care about yourself. Even a simple new style or hair color can work wonders for your emotions and could brighten your 2022. Number 16, write to yourself. There are moments that we find it difficult to give compassion to ourselves, especially when we are in a harsh situation. Therefore, when someone is saying bad things to you, write down the kind words you would say to a friend in the same position. With this habit of channeling good thoughts in writing, eventually it would be easier to put into words and action. Number 17, start walking more. If you want to be happy and healthy, walking around the neighborhood is a greater start. It is a must that you move your body, and walking more every day helps your body prevent or manage various conditions, including heart disease, stroke, high blood pressure, cancer, and type 2 diabetes. Walking improves cardiovascular fitness, strengthen your bones and muscles as well. Number 18, make your bed every morning. And many of us are guilty of this. Mastering the art of making your bed each morning could make you more productive. If you keep your bed clean and organized, it will reflect in your entire personal space and your state of mind. It may seem too small, but starting your day by making your bed gives you a sense of accomplishment. And number 19, go to bed on time. According to Benjamin Franklin, early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. If you sleep early and give yourself enough sleep, you may lower the risk of serious health problems. Plus, having enough sleep have numerous health benefits like reduce stress and improve your mood, think more clearly and do better in school and at work, reduce stress and improve your mood, think more clearly and do better in school and at work, and get along better with people. Number 20, give yourself more accomplishments. What you need for a happier life is vitamin G. G for gratitude. The importance of positive self-talk and complimenting yourself can help you focus on what is good in your life. Being thankful can make you feel happier and more satisfied. And this positive outlook can even improve your sleep. I am awesome. Thank you, self. Number 21, say goodbye to your toxic friends, like Marites. Now is the right time to say goodbye to toxic friends. If you find this person could do harm on your overall health and personality and your relationship to this person is always giving you anxieties and heartaches, though it may feel impossible, but there is a way to break up or put closure to your friendship. Number 22, plan a vacation. Despite the pandemic, there are still nearby places in your hometown that is safe for vacation. Give your time a break once in a while for relaxation and fun. Bring your whole family for bonding and get together. Based on studies, women who vacation at least twice a year have a lower heart attack risk than those do so rarely. And researchers have found that even thinking about an upcoming trip can boost happiness for weeks. There you have it, guys, the 22 top 2022 New Year's resolution for a healthier and happier living. May this 2022 bring you and your family good health, happiness, and peace. Cheers to 2022! Thank you for watching! Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. God bless everyone! This is Kuya Vivo of Music and Heart Billionaire. Bye!
Okay.